Welcome, I'm David Geiger. Renewable fuel exemption lawsuits are about to appear before the Supreme Court. The Environmental Protection Agency filed a brief with the court last week laying out new positions on the RFS. This follows a lawsuit of refiners who received exemptions but did not qualify for them, which the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals ruled violated the law. The 2020 ruling led biofuel groups to push for an application of the ruling nationally, which could affect nearly 88 small refinery exemptions made between 2016 and 2020. The EPA's latest brief says the exemptions program was put into the RFS as a bridge toward eventual compliance for small refineries. Corn export sales have been hot this month, especially in the last 7 days, with the USDA reporting nearly 4.5 million metric tons sold, up about 8% from the week before. For corn, China was the #1 buyer, paying for 86% of that, with South Korea paying for another 7%. Soybeans, however, had poor sales, a 50% drop from the week before at just over 100,000 metric tons. And markets gearing up for the midweek report. Our analyst Jamie Kawaki has more.
Starting the week off in the red for the row crops. Very sloppy trade so far this morning. Just kind of seeing again a risk off end of the month, end of the quarter, liquidation coming into Wednesday's big report. Nothing has really changed, just kind of a get me out type trade. Brazil still extremely dry. Argentina weather trending better. Have to wait and see how the second corn crop comes out, but just a lot of get me out type trade. Funds are still long both corn and beans coming into the report. Bean oil still leading the way there in the products, and look for it to trend on higher as well with very good demand in the biodiesel markets. Over to the cattle market, we are testing the contract highs again in the live cattle market, expecting box beef to be sharply higher again this week and cash to be a couple bucks higher. But it's all going to depend, I think, on the cash market to continue to narrow the basis up here short term and can keep the futures supportive. Over to the hogs, just a little bit weaker here today. We started all sharply lower just on some profit taking, as obviously we've been on a big rally. I look for the market to trend on higher here as cash cutouts. Everything should be sharply higher again this week, and still looking for the market to be really long-term bullish yet, as we still obviously have severe issues over in China.
The Colfax Sheep and Goat Auction on Saturday saw a sale of 506 head of sheep. Feeder lambs fetched the day's average price of $2.59 per pound, while fed lambs averaged $1.81 per pound. There were 107 head of goats at the auction, which saw a high average price ranging from $115 to $320 per head. And on the sheep markets, 2020 was a tough year for the industry. The American Sheep Industry Association released a checkoff-funded report saying while inventory decreased about 1%, weekly feeder lamb prices have rebounded. The report estimates commercial lamb production in the U.S. will increase 3% and imports will drop as much as 10%, resulting in steady production, lower imports, and the lowest available supply since 2017, meaning solid prices for farmers. That's all I have for the Agribusiness Report today. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again next time. We have our stories online. Head over to WHO13.com, click News, and then Agribusiness.